welcome back from spring break. I missed you. You missed me too, right? Anyways, here's what's happening this week in the libraries. The libraries are hosting family study hours on March 20th from 5 to 7 p.m. Come study at the libraries while your kids enjoy one of our new family kits with coloring pages, kid-friendly furniture, gifts, and more. This is a great way for student parents to access extra study hours and research support. If you need accommodations because of a disability to fully participate in this event, please contact Madison Brents at madison.brents@unt.edu. Please make the request as soon as possible to allow for sufficient time to arrange for the accommodation. We'll see you there. Join the Media Library and Media Arts Department for a DocSpot screening of The Faithful, a documentary exploring the lasting devotion to Elvis, Princess Diana, and Pope John Paul II. Director Annie Berman spent 20 years capturing deep connections between fans, memorabilia, and legacy. Stay after the film for a Q&A with the director. This DocSpot event is happening March 20th at 6:30 p.m. in room RTVF 184. We'll see you there. You know, we might take breaks, but Lit Picks sure never do. We wanted to let you know that during the fall and spring semesters, Willis Library is open 24 hours a day, so be sure to stop by day or night to find the materials for your research or knock out some homework with some friends. You can also find the hours of other library locations like Frisco, where we're at today, online at calendar.library.unt.edu. Want to learn how to 3D print, use a CNC, or even use a laser cutter? Be sure to check out the Spark at Willis Discovery Park and Frisco Landing, where you can attend training sessions and ignite your imagination using tools at our unique makerspaces. Look out for training opportunities and classes by visiting the service desk at each of our locations or by checking out our library calendar by visiting calendar.library.unt.edu. Lastly, are you looking to take a break and listen to some great albums on vinyl? Visit our music library service desk on the 4th floor of Willis and ask about our portable listening station and growing vinyl collection. This is a great way to take a break and listen to some hits while you're waiting for your next class. Well, that's all the library news that we have for today, so be sure to check us out next week for more information. And as always, check out our website at library.unt.edu for all the resources available to you. See ya!